Also, we have made it to Tucked. It was actually not as nerve-wracking as I thought parking up. That was fine. Even Sam's managed to get a spot in the show, so that's brilliant. We're just like along by the entrance. But yeah, I'm just one of those awkward people when it comes to shows. I'm like, oh, hello, where do I park? And I go into like full panic mode. But yeah, it seems to be going all right. And Sam is filming all the cars coming in because there are some really sick cars that are coming in. My car's not looking too bad. The rear does look a bit arts and crafty, but if you ignore that, the rest of it looks alright. But I just didn't want to leave, so I've had the boot built and I didn't want to just leave it like wood, so I was like, well, any material is better than no material, so that's why it looks so rushed and rubbish. But yeah, we have parked up and we're just looking at all the cars coming in. Some of them are amazing. And then once most of them have arrived, we are gonna go have a little wander around. Sam's enjoying his mint. I'm just gonna sort of film my favourite cars that I see, which is an awful lot of cars because there are so many nice ones. Enjoy!
The more we express and form our individuality, which is so important to a lot of us who feel like rejects to begin with. The summation of that gives us something we could never achieve as an individual. I should say this, there's some sort of beautiful symmetry. The degree to which we connect to a community is in proportion to our individuality, which we are expressing by what we do. There's an intrinsic value in creating something for the sake of creating it. And better than that, there is this beauty in dropping it into a community of your own making and seeing it dispersed and seeing younger, different talent take it to levels you could never imagine, because that lives on. They've still got the sort of like awards and announcements and whatnot to go through, but we've been here for quite a long time, so we're gonna head off. But yeah, it's been a really good show. The quality of cars are amazing. I hope you liked some of the videos of some of my favourite cars that I've seen. I don't know why my camera's so dark, but yeah. See you all again soon, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.